Miss Ferguson here with some tips and tricks on how to use the library catalog. You can start at the Brooklyn Tech High School Library homepage and scroll down to where it says Search Our Catalog. From here, you're going to look for this search icon in the upper right-hand corner, and then you can search a title, a genre, a subject. I'm searching a title, Children of Blood and Bone. What I'm really looking for are two things. One, that it says in green, and then the second one that it says the call number so I can find it on the shelf. This one's in the fiction section. If I click on the title, then I can see a blurb about the book. And if I click on view more details, that's where I can see much more. So I can see how many pages are in the book. I can see some similar titles, some books that are recommended. And if I look at the Explore tab, I can see books that have similar subjects. So this is other fiction books about magic. To renew a book, you can go to Login, sign in with your DOE email, and then go to My Stuff. Here you can click Checkouts and then select Renew. You will see other things in My Stuff that are not active, like we're not currently using holds.